So good morning, welcome back to this channel. So this morning I'll be walking you through on how to execute your trade on MetaTrader 5. So after you've done your analysis, maybe on MetaTrader 5, on system, on trading view, or whatsoever analysis platform you are using. So the next thing is to execute your trade. So currently I'm using a demo account of $100 just for this practice. So the first thing is that we'll be executing a sell limit order. A sell limit order. So how do you use the sell limit order? Sell limit order is used when you are expecting a price to come higher to a particular price, then it starts selling from that point. So which means your sell limit order, your entry price must be above the current market price. Must be above the current market price. So let's go to the chart. So this gold chart, SAUSD chart. So currently we have the market price still ranging. Then if I want to use my sell limit, my order must be above this current price. So how do I do that? All I just have to do is I can click on this chart, then we have trade indicator, just click on trade. Then you go to, instead of market execution is used when you want to execute a trade instantly. You want to place a trade instantly. So what you do is that you just you click on this market execution and you click on sell limit, and you will notice the parameter that has been requested for our price, that is your entry price, your stop loss, and your take profit. So this morning I did an analysis expecting gold, that is SAUSD, to come into a price zone of 265.47 before it starts selling. So I'll be using that price as my entry. So inside the price, I'll click 2685.47. That's my entry. Then my stop loss will be at least 50 pips. So will be 2690.47. And my take profit will be around, I'm projecting a minimum of 100 pips. A minimum of 100 pips, that would be 2659.37. So then I will place I can use 0.1. 0.1 is not too, it's actually too much in terms of risk management for an account of $100. But for practice sake, let me just use it. So click on place. So if you come to chart, you will see that we've placed the order. It's not executed yet because it's not running. All what you have just done is just to place the order. So that's how you use your sell limit. And if you check, you see my stop loss also is being positioned. And if you scroll down, you see where my TP is. You see that my TP is also marked out. So I can move away from my phone. I can go anywhere, and when price get there, the market will automatically execute the trade for me. You understand? So that's how to use sell limit. And let's assume I just want to jump on this trade the way it is now. I see that it seems it's going to sell. So I decided, okay, I want to just jump on it. All what I just have to do is click on this chart, go to trade, and instead of sell limit or buy limit, you just click on market execution, and I will execute immediately. So I would like to reduce the loss size I'm using to be 0.05. Then I'll just click on sell. Now the market, this one is now see that this position is already ranging and I'm already in a loss currently. So now I would like to set my stop loss. You can just go back there, click on it, click on modify position. Then you're able to set your stop loss and your take profit. So let me just say my take profit for this, I want it to be 2670, and the stop loss will still be the same stop loss that I use. So my stop loss will still be the same stop loss, will be 2690.47, and I'll click on modify, and all that will be in place for me. So that's basically how to execute your trade, place your trade on MetaTrader 5. Is as simple as that. And if you are expecting the market to come to a particular level down and you buy, so you make use of your buy limits as well to position, or you execute it instantly. And if I want to make use of my sell stop limit is that the market is already selling but it has not reached a particular price, so I can put that price there that okay, when you get to this price, execute. So let's assume I want to use this now. So currently, this is where market is. So let me say when the market gets to 2680.29, that it should execute another sell order. So what I will do there is that I will go to trade, go to sell stop limit, then I will play 2680.29. so when price gets to this point, it will execute another sell order for me. This is another sell order, sell limit price. It will execute it for me. And okay, taking my 2680.29. so okay, sell stop. No, I'll be making it, sorry, it should be sell stop. Yeah, sell stop. So 2680 point, okay, it should be 2670. Let me say 2670.0. Yeah, so when the price gets here, it will execute another sell order automatically for me, and I can place it. Let me say my TP for this should be 2659.37, and you just place it. So you will notice that you have two orders that have been placed. One is sell limit, one is sell stop. So this sell stop will activate when the selling already started and market approach that new low of the price. But the sell limit is that market is buying, and when it approaches or when it gets to that higher price, which is 2685, it will execute a sell order, and you are expected that the market should start selling to go in your favor for you to make profit. So that's just how to place your order, to trade, how to execute your trade with MetaTrader 5. I hope this simple explanation is understandable. If you have any question, you can drop in the comment section of this video and I will be glad to reply you. Thank you very much.